Okay guys, welcome. This is my second YouTube video and I'll be showing you my strat that I trade every single day on the market and works out very good for me, so I don't see why it wouldn't work for you. So if you want to learn my strategy, stay tuned. I'll show you how it works. All right, let's get into it. So how I trade, I use buy side, sell side liquidities, and I use inversion gaps on both the 5 and 1 minute, and I usually target a standard deviation of a -2. So let's get into it. So first, always do a top-down analysis to get like a general idea of what's happening in the market. So we're on the 1 day. We see that this right here would be a fairly strong buy side with sell side down here, which we just jumped off. So we'd be looking to try to hit this buy side. That would be a very nice target. Same thing over here. Mark out our sell side, buy side. Sell side and buy sides are always at the lows, the previous lows that it took. So we have, there we go. We have this sell side over here. Very nice buy side up here. So we can see that we just swept these lows on the 1 hour. Now we jump to the 5 minute. Let's see what we have. Now we can see right on the 5 minute, we have a inversion that could be possible if we do want to look for the upside. So let's see what we have here. Okay, that's fairly nice. Oh, we broke right through. That's good. On the 1 minute, we have a inversion as well. That's beautiful. So now we use a standard deviation. I'm going to take it from the lows, the low of the move, all the way to the top of our 1 minute inversion gap. And we can see, let's zoom out a bit. This is our overall buy. So we want to get to this buy side that we were talking about right here. Overall, it's going to go up to this buy side, but we're day traders, so we are just on simple moves. So this is our buy side up here. Very nice inversion on both the 5 and 1 minute. We have a strong break right here. Come down to the 1 minute, very strong break. We are going to take a buy right here, put our sell right below the lows, and we're going to target -2, which I think is very reasonable. You can even target up here, but for this example, we're going for a -2. Let's see how this works out. We have a little retest, very nice. We could see now we have this fair value gap that's getting placed right here. Just got respected. Another fair value gap got respected to push it higher. Now we're about to hit. There we go. We just hit the -1. Now we're going to go to break even on our stop loss, and we're going to target straight for this higher time frame. Now it's just a waiting game. Trust the process because that's what standard deviation is for. And we're going to push all the way for that -2. There we go. There we go. Little accumulation in this area. Trust the process. Maybe put it a bit faster. Get through it. There we go. And very close. There we go. And we ended up hitting that -2R. Now, we'll see if it's going to hit this buy side. I don't see why it shouldn't. But usually once we get to this -2R, usually the stock tends to go much lower and retest a bit in the area before it starts heading higher. And we're already at 230 on the day, so I'm not 100% sure we would hit it, but there is a possibility. Let's see. Still accumulation. It's getting late into the market, and there we go. Just before market close, we ended up taking out the overall buy side. So now for the next day, we would still be fairly bullish. Sorry, still be fairly bullish. and overall we want to be taking out this buy side. So there you go. Short little video on my strategy. I really hope you enjoyed and stayed to the end. If you did stay to the end, make sure you drop a comment in the comments. Let me know. Tell me if you enjoyed the video. If you do want my settings for anything on my chart, like my candlestick patterns or the colorway, or even the standard deviation, maybe if you want the settings for that, let me know in the comments. I'll gladly make a video on it, because at the moment I don't really have any videos in mind to make. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and catch you next time.